How to undo changes on your Wix site. So I'm going to show you two methods. So for the first one, I've clicked on edit site here and I've just loaded up the Wix website editor. Now I'm going to make a little change. I'll add an element here. So for example, I'll add text. I'm simply going to drag and drop it. So for example, here it says heading 1. If I change the text here to anything else and I leave it like this, it will obviously change it. If I press Ctrl+Z on my keyboard, it undoes one of those changes that we've made. So that's Ctrl+Z. It is going to be Command+Z on your MacBook. So Ctrl+Z, if I press this, it undoes the change. And another way of how you can undo changes here, if you want to undo some changes that you've made, like for example, days ago, I'll open up the homepage here on Wix and I'm just going to search for backup. And we want to open up the site history. It's going to load up a new page here with all of the previous versions of your website that you have had previously. For example, here, if I scroll down, I'm able to see this version of my website from the 15th of June. If I click on this arrow button, it's going to load up what my website looked like, and I can restore this. And in a way, this is going to undo the changes that I've made to my Wix website previously. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.